find. So for example, if I have this cell stock return, I want to find out where does R come in this cell. So first letter is S, then T, then O, C, K, then blank space, then R. So I want to find out the position of R. So I can do it using find. So how do you do this? Find R in this cell. So find what? R where? In this cell. So it will tell me that R is on 7th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blank and then 7. Any problem? Now if I want to find out that, so R is on 7th position, right? But R then appears again. I want to find out when do R appears again. So I want to tell ignore the first R and tell me when does R appear after that. So what I can do is I can again use find and I can tell it find R here, here, but look into the values after 8th value, because I know that 7th is R. So I want to find R after 8th value or from 8th value and onward. So look for R but from 8th and onward. So this will tell me that when do R appears next. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. It should be 11th position. 11.